It's sunny. It's sunny in Vancouver.
Looking for a way to give back, get outside, and reconnect with nature all at once? Surrey's garden work parties might be just what you need. These hands on community events invite volunteers to help care for the city's stunning public gardens. You'll be pruning, weeding, labeling plants, and removing invasive species, all while learning from professional gardeners and meeting others who love to make things grow. No experience, no worries. All tools and training are provided, and anyone age 16 and up is welcome. Just dress for the weather, wear sturdy shoes, and bring a bit of water. The events run rain or shine unless extreme weather hits. Upcoming garden work parties run from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. on select Tuesdays this spring and summer, including May 20th at Bear Creek Gardens, June 10th and July 8th at Darts Hill Garden Park, and June 24th at the Glades Woodland Garden. Free volunteer parking is available at each location. So, are you ready to dig in and make a visible impact right here in your community?
Welcome to sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Van.